Good morning, hello and welcome back to week 50 of BTHQ Banter. Elephant in the room, the extensions have gone. I'm not very good at GHD curls, as you can see, but I am loving the new choppy, much shorter hair. I have just got back, well, yesterday I got back from the wholesalers. I have a huge amount of fabric here to get sorted and onto the website. So when Catherine comes in this morning, little does she know she's going to spend the morning bolting with me to get it all from the rolls onto the bolts, because it's so much easier to manage when it's on bolts. So that's our morning, exciting. I am expecting the lovely Sam in today. She's the first of our pupils to return. She is coming in to catch up on the llama class that unfortunately she had to miss. Sam lives in Wales and so was in like total and utter lockdown when we had the llama class, so she couldn't even leave the country. But she's here this weekend to see her mum, so she's taken the opportunity to come in and see us and spend the day with us sewing a llama. I am pretty confident she's going to need next to no help. She is a toy making legend. She makes loads of them, but I think, to be fair, she just wants to spend the day at the BTHQ chilling out and just spending some time with us, and it will be lovely to see her again. She was one of our regulars for a long while, but moved to Wales, and so we haven't seen her for ages, so that will be nice. We've got our one and only late night shopping night tonight as well, because this evening we have the first of our Christmas wreath workshops, and I'm here to look after them, so I thought I might as well keep the shop open. So it's going to be a really exciting day. I can't wait, and there's going to be lots for you to see finally, just as we come towards the end of the year. So I'll catch up with you a little bit later, and once I've got all of these bolted, I'll show you what I've got. Viv's in. Morning, Viv. Morning. Being staff, she's having a little look through what we've been doing. Yeah. This is just so lovely. Look at this. Look at this. It's just like, oh, yeah, heavenly. Know that with every metre of cuddle fleece that you've bought, we may have swam in it. Just so nice. I am actually itching to take this home and sew my top this weekend now. Just so lovely. There is 10 metres of this and 10 metres of pink. Oh no, it's probably only 8 metres of pink, so I've kept 2. I've had a delivery. Who wants a sewing machine? 10 lovely, shiny, mechanical Janome 219Ss, all in time for Christmas. And Sam's llama making. Say hello, Sam. Hi. You finished your llamas? They're so lovely. This is Daisy, I've decided. She's very pretty. Sam's made 2 llamas, because she can. And a purple llama. He's our first purple llama. Has he got, I think it is actually a he, you know, even though he's purple and wears pink. I do think he's a he.
Okay.
Okay.
Tinky Winky was purple, what can I say?
Tinky Winky, that's a great name for him. Brilliant, they're lovely. And I should show you, Sam has also made me and brought with her this beautiful unicorn. So like I say, she doesn't really need my help at all. In fact, she sewed both those llamas without any questions. But isn't he gorgeous? I've decided this is Nigel. He's a little bit special. And he's quite quiet. I think probably because he's not actually got a mouth. So he's quite quiet. A mute unicorn. But he's lovely, but I can't take him home. He's going to have to live here with Simon the So Slow Sloth. Good morning. It is Saturday and our wreath workshop is well underway. I completely forgot to pick the camera up last night, far too excited, and I was doing a live pattern de-stash as well, so it all just went all out the window. So I'm going to take you in now and I'll show you what everybody's up to. So everyone has started making their moss base wreaths with the lovely Julie. Can we say hello, everyone? Hello. Yay. Oh, so nice. I don't know how many hello everyone ones we've had this year, but not many. It's really nice actually today because we've got some of our sewing club members here, Elspeth, Tina and Mabel. So they're all actually getting to meet one another in person, which is really nice.
Strange. But lovely.
Strange but lovely. Thank you, Mabel. Hello, Julie.
Hello. Strange.
You said it. I
Picked on my teacher.
Are you? I think actually I'm going to bring the camera in when Julie has to explain to Elspeth what some of this is called. Watch this space.
You've done all that to your spruce, yeah? And then I'm not even going to look at her. Then we've got some more foliage, and this foliage is called pinus. Okay? Pinus. And when you go into a wholesaler's, P-I-N-U-S. No, it's called pinus. And when you go into a wholesaler's that's full of men and say, I need 5 bundles of pinus, you get some fantastic.
Go in here first though. Tina's finished her lovely wreath. Oh, that looks beautiful. That's really nice. It's really lovely to have these thistles and I don't know what they are. Skimmer. There we go.
I've got lots in the garden.
Oh, that's lovely. What's yours looking like this year, Elspeth?
Hangs on that. She just threw it everywhere.
Lovely. Look through the middle. Lovely. We've got these lovely ones. Oh, Annie, that's beautiful. I love how they all look so different. You've got the moss on show. Love that. Beautiful. Oh, lovely. Look, the cavalry's arrived. Mum's arrived to do the hoovering. You alright, Mum? Yeah. Oh, that is so nice. Why are you in trouble?
Because I've made a mess.
Oh, well, you can clear up your own mess. So everyone from this afternoon's workshop has finished as well. They're all looking beautiful. That's lovely, Leslie. Oh, I love the orange bows with the oranges. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That's pretty. They all look so different, don't they? Even though you've all used the same stuff.
Yeah.
Which I think is really lovely. Oh, brilliant.
Okay.
Spin it round, Susie. Let's have a look. Lovely. Oh, right, we can go outside for a photo in a second. Even Julie's mess looks pretty.
My mess.
Rude. And we are done. It's going to be so nice. This BTHQ banter might be really long because there's lots of activity and things happening. It's all very exciting. Anyway, it's now 5:15. Julie has gone home. We have left the mess for my lovely mum to come and clear up on Monday. I am going to head home because I'm going to the pub tonight for the first time in ages. We've got a table booked outside so that I can have drinks and something to eat with 2 of my lovely girlfriends, and I cannot wait. It's very exciting. Tomorrow is a day off and I'm actually going to get some sewing done. Speaking of which, this is my Tilly and the Buttons indigo dress which I finished, so I'm going to wear this tonight. So hopefully I'll get some pictures for you. No, I tell you a lie, I've got some pictures. Elspeth took some for me this afternoon, so I will share those on Instagram later. I will see you all on Monday. Bye. Good morning, it is Monday. I doubt very much that we'll have anything to show you today. All I will say is I've walked in the door and it smells like a Christmas tree shop. It really does. All of the foliage and everything from the workshop this weekend is all still kind of on the floor. And we need to have a good hoover up and a sort out, empty of all the bin bags and everything. So yeah, it's all still very piney fresh in here, which is very nice. So Mum's coming in this morning, thank God, so she can help me have a good clean, because that's definitely needed. Obviously we have sewing in here on Friday. I've got 3 lovely ladies doing crafty hot desks. and then we've got another wreath workshop on the following Saturday, so it's just going to get messy again. So we'll do our best to make sure it's as clean and tidy as possible, but we're not worrying too much about picking up every last bit of wood because it's just going to start all over again next weekend. I'm going to be spending today cutting your orders, and then I've got an afternoon of admin. So like I say, I don't think there's going to be anything in particular for me to come on and talk to you about, so I might just see you again at the end of the day. As suspected, nothing to show you here. I'm going to take this home and edit it now, although we are open on Wednesday. I'm not here on Wednesday. The lovely Catherine's coming in for a couple of hours just to package your orders and do click and collects. But I'm actually taking myself away for a couple of days, just to a hotel that is literally a 5-minute drive up the road from my house. But I just need a bit of a holiday, so I'm going to have a couple of days away, just completely by myself and just chill out and relax. And then I will be back in on Friday to welcome some lovely sewers into the building, and Saturday for another wreath making workshop. So thank you for joining us this week. It's been really lovely to have a fairly normal week. I bet you've been a little bit more excited to watch and see what we've been up to. So once again, thank you so much for supporting Beautiful Things. Do keep those fabric orders coming in. We've got some fantastic special offers on at the moment for Christmas gifts, which will make really lovely presents for your loved ones, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.